Hi guys, and you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Amazon generic brush sets. These are the brushes I'm talking about. So in case if you've seen them on Amazon, and I'm sure you have, so if you are looking forward to purchase these brushes, or if you're a beginner and you want to invest in these brushes and you want like a detailed review on these, then please keep on watching. So the brushes come in a packaging like this. You don't get a very luxury packaging, and do not expect it from a 248 rupees set brush. So totally you get like 10 set of brushes, wherein 5 of them are face brushes and 5 of them are eye brushes. I've used this for over a month now, and I'm sure I can give you like a detailed review on these. So coming on to the packaging of the product, like you saw, this is like this outer plastic packet that you get with a ziploc covering on top. And let's talk about the quality of the brush. So this is the first brush. Now do not judge me for this because I've already used the brushes and I haven't really washed them. So this is what the brush set looks like, and they are priced at 248 rupees. Now the prices of these brushes do vary according to the colors, okay? So if you go for a teal colored, or if you go for a flamingo colored, they would vary between 20 to 30 rupees. But this is like the most sold one, the pink and silver one. So this is the most sold. And yeah, if you're going for different colors, they would increase or decrease the price accordingly, but this is the most sold one. Now you get like a synthetic soft bristles. These are definitely not animal brushes, but these are synthetic brushes which are super soft. The finishing of the brush is not super amazing. You would see like 1 or 2 hairs popping, but that's completely fine, okay? That shouldn't really matter if you're going for a very affordable range brush, so it shouldn't matter. And this is the plastic handle that you get. So the plastic handle looks somewhat like this. I won't say that it's super sturdy, but at the same time I won't say it's flimsy as well. So it's not. Even if you try to pull this out, you won't see it coming. I had seen quite few reviews on Amazon as well that the brushes were broken, like the brushes were literally broken into half, but I haven't received any of these brushes that was broken. So I won't say that the quality of the brush is really that bad that it could be broken. So if you take any brush and even if you try to pull this, you won't really find the brushes breaking into 2 parts, so it won't. Let's talk about the face brushes first. So you get like a set of 5 face brushes. So these are, okay, still 4. Yeah, so you get these 5 set of brushes. Almost all of them are fluffy, and you do get like, this is a little angular. If you see, this is angular, and you could use this for your contouring, for your blush, for your foundations, for applying a loose powder. Give you like my true and genuine opinion, I did try to use this to blend my foundation, but I wasn't super happy with the kind of results that it gave me. What I'm trying to tell here is, I wish that these brushes were a little more dense, because you know, while you are applying your foundation, you do want a little bit of pressure on your skin so that you know the foundation gets blended easily. So you do want that, but these brushes, like this is the dense, this is the most dense brush that you see in the category, and it still does not do like a perfect job of blending my foundation. I have tried to blend it, but then I switched over to other brushes, and I must say that it's good for your blush, it's good for your powder, it's good for your contouring. Of course you don't get any highlighter brush, but then for all those purposes I think it's fine. But if you're a beginner and you are looking forward to apply like a mousse or a BB cream, I think fingertips would be best. But still, in case if you're looking forward for that, you can definitely go for it. But the only con that I like of the product is that I wish these brushes could have been a little more dense, especially the face brushes, okay? So this is what it looks like, and the size of the brush is this. Okay, so this is the size of the brush. It's not very long, but then it's fine. Like it's convenient to, you know, apply, so it's fine. Now it's not that you cannot really blend foundations with this. You can, but you would find a little bit of struggle because you don't get very much pressure while applying it. You know what I mean, right? So it is not like that. Coming on to the eye brushes, these are the 5 sets of eye brushes that you get, and I have to admit that the eye brushes are superb. Not just in terms of their quality, but in terms of their application and in terms of the results that it gives you. It really works so well. I'm really amazed with the kind of effect that it gave while I was applying, while I was doing like my eye looks. So it was really very fine. You don't get like flat angular brush, etc. You don't get like proper eye brush sets, but these are the 5 brushes you get, and this has to definitely be my favorite because this is the densest of all, and I could use this down towards my lower lash line and give the shadow effect. So brushes work fine, they pick the product too much, so you need to literally like dust it. Even the least pigmented shadows, they do pick up very well. Quality wise, both of them are same, so there is not much difference. I wouldn't even say the same for this. They are good in their quality, just that the only con in these brushes are I wish they could have been a little more dense. The face brushes, the eye brushes work perfectly fine. It is that you definitely get what you pay for. So if you're paying 248 rupees for a set of 10 brushes, I think you should be compromising a little bit on them. Do not expect like pro results from cheap brushes, right? So they work according to their quality, they work really well, so you can definitely go for this. I would recommend you this if you are a beginner, but if you're a pro, then definitely do consider buying other brushes. Now I have to talk about these another brush sets that I purchased from Shein. I have one brush with me, I don't have the set with me completely right now, but this is still those brushes that I used to blend my foundation. It does like a perfect job. You know why? Because again, it's all about the density. So you see the density of these brushes, like look at this. If I use this to blend my foundation, do you think it's gonna blend easily? So I use this to use it for my blush. And if I talk of these brushes, you still see that they are thick, okay? The density is quite much. It's enough to give you like a proper blending for your foundation. Still switch over to this, but I have to say that in all these face brushes, I don't use any of them for my foundation. So yeah, that was my honest review on this. You do not expect much from these brushes, but definitely the price that you're paying when you go for like high-end brushes, you do not even get one brush for the entire range, okay? Like you do not even get like one brush for 248 rupees. You would definitely get it above 500. So considering, again, like I said, the price you pay for the product is what you get as a result. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this. If you are looking forward to buy it, definitely go for it. You won't regret it, especially with the eye brushes. But if you're a beginner, you can go for it. If you're a pro and if you are you're expecting much from these brushes, I wouldn't really recommend. So yeah, if you are low on your budget, if you're a college going girl, you really want to have like a brush set, I do understand that. Okay, so then you can definitely go for it. And yeah, that was my honest review. I hope you really liked it, and if you have any doubts regarding the shades, please let me know down in the comment section below. Any doubt about any of the brushes, about the bristles or anything that you have to say. So yeah, that's about it. That was like my true opinion on these brushes. I do like these brushes. The only con is that the face brushes could have been a little more dense. And what I have to say is, if you are a beginner, you want to invest in brushes, you can go for it. But even if you are a little bit expert in doing makeup, do not go for these brushes. Consider buying something else. Consider going for at least one good expensive brush which would do a combo job of your foundation, of your blush, and also of applying like a compact powder. So do consider spending on these. But if you want to have like a brush set and you don't have too much of budget, then you can definitely pick these. So if you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do not forget to share it with those who you think would be needful. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.